all of you. I'd fund you any day. You only have 90 seconds. You have to be really, really sure what you want to include in the beginning, the middle and the end.
Doe hem gewoon erachteraan.
Yeah.
And this carbon byproduct, not byproduct, it's not byproduct.
I work on the electrochemical reduction of CO2, and I'm excited to pitch my project to the general audience and get them interested in my work.
My research is mostly focusing on the drying of paints and coatings, and I hope to get finally a product that dries in multiple layers.
And it needs to change to a material that hates water. And now I'm lost.
Working across universities and industry to make value-added products.
I mainly work producing a valuable product out of methane without making our global warmer.
My pitch will be about those packages, because I'm working in one of those layers that is inside in here. So it's more complex than it looks like. Yeah, so now I'm writing my script for the pitch, and I'm thinking a little bit about, okay, how can I make this interesting for everyone and clear? Yeah, I'm almost there, still working on it. And as a result, human life.
So wouldn't it be great to create
Only valuable products.
But did you know that this package was made out of paper?
We want to use renewable electricity
To its full potential for a more sustainable future.